Welcome back, viewers, to Kerensha training workshop. Please always remember to click on the subscribe button. I'm going to introduce you to the process of making shower gel, and in my bucket here, or my bowl, I have my 1 kilogram of base, which I'm going to use about 60 milliliter of sulfuric acid, and this is what I'm pouring in it. That's okay. Which I'm going to add my salt. I'm going to use my 500 ml of salt to my base and sulfuric acid, and I'm going to add it to my mixture. I also melted my shea butter, and I'm also going to add it to my liquid, and I'm going to pour it in my mixture. As you can see, this is my shea butter. I'm going to start stirring with my hand. As you can see, I'm mixing. Add my lanolin. I'm going to stir once again with my hand. I'm going to add about 200 ml of honey to my mixture. Then I'll add my perlizer of 60 ml. I'll also add my vitamin E. So I'm stirring my mixture once again. So I'm now adding my preservative, my 30 ml of preservative, and also my 10 ml of citric acid. I'm going to stir it once again. Adding my glycerin. I want to use 60 ml of glycerin to my mixture, and also I'm going to add my essential oil. That one too, I'm going to use just 20 ml of my essential oil. Then I'll stir it once again. I'm going to stir it thoroughly for the glycerin and the essential oil to be well mixed in my mixture. So here, the next stage, I'm going to add my perfume. I'm adding my perfume. I'm going to use 4 types of perfume, but the quantity is going to be about 60 ml. This is the first one, and this is the second one. This is the third one, and the last one. I like mixing the perfumes, so I'm now going to mix. My color here, I'm going to make, I just mix it with water, and I'm going to use the color mixture. So I'm stirring it. to be well mixed. I'm still adding my color. Nice. It's a nice pink color. I just dissolved the booster rice with hot water so that it can really melt. So I'm pouring it to my mixture and I'm stirring. So this stage I'm going to add my booster liquid as well. This is my booster liquid. I'm going to pour all the 500 ml into it. So I'm going to start adding water to it. And thicker, and you can see the color is very nice and it's smelling so good. It will be very soft on your skin. So you can see my charger is very thick, and the last thing I'm going to use is a thickener liquid that will make it thicker. I'm using the 500 ml of thickener liquid. I'm stirring. Sour gel, I'm done, and it's well mixed and it's smelling very nice. It's very good for your skin and you can start using it. But you know what, we're going to cover it and put it down till the next day. All the bubbles will settle and it will become very thick. Then you can start using it. Please always remember to click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and watch out for more videos. Thank you.